What if you could get the training and a way to get your phone ringing with motivated sellers in just one click? Well, stand by. Let's get it. Hello guys, this is Ty, aka the Flip Man. StarterSigns.com, my no excuses bundle is now available. If you received a text message and or an email letting you know the bundle was now available, get over to StarterSigns.com now to make your purchase, because this bundle is on a limited order basis. What is it? Well, what you get is 100 Bandit signs along with my ebook on how to wholesale 3 to 5 houses per month without using your cash or credit. If this is your first introduction to StarterSigns.com, welcome. This is my no excuses bundle to jumpstart anyone trying to get in the business of wholesaling houses. I'm not in the sign business. Therefore, I had to actually take on the investment to create these bundles. So depending on how it goes, I will ramp up to the point where we're never out of stock. As of now, if you go to the site and if you don't see a buy option, you need to simply enter your name and email address so you are placed on the alerts list whenever more bundles are available. So again, if you want my no excuses bundle, get over to StarterSigns.com. That's StarterSigns.com, and I will see you on the flip side.